The company that I'm going to be working with today is Ywigs. It comes with a standard packaging, a wig cap, an information card, and a branded Ywigs bag. This is what the wig looks like. It's a T part and it is 8 inches. It comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps. As you guys can see, I already have my ball cap method done. If you guys want to see how I do that, I also have a detailed video of how you can achieve this, so you can go ahead and check out that in the cards right here. So I'm going to take my EBIN lace tint in medium and just tint the lace, and then I'm just going to take my blow dryer and dry this. I already cut the lace, as you guys can see. Now for install today, what I'm going to be using is my Got To Be freezing blast spray. I'm just going to spray that on the lace for it to hold down, and then I am going to take my blow dryer on cool hair for that to dry. And I'm basically going to do the same thing for the entire front portion of my head. Now after I lay the lace, what I'm going to do is just part out the sections that I want to use as my baby hair, and I'm doing minimal baby hairs today. I'm just doing 2 swoops and the sideburns, and then I am going to take my elastic band and allow the lace to melt in for about half an hour. Now I'm going to take my Shiso Balm wax stick and my hot comb to get the front of my hair flat. After 30 minutes, I remove the elastic band and I am going to take my Eco Styler gel to lay my baby hairs. after laying the baby hairs, what I'm going to do is to take my Sebastian holding spray and spray that on the lace again, and then I'm going to tie the hairline down again with my elastic band because I want it to be really melted in. By the way, if you guys want to see a very detailed install of me installing my lace frontal, you guys can go ahead and check out this video right here in the cards. Now I'm basically just defining my parting, and I'm going to go back in with my sheet of balm wax stick and my hot comb to get the top of my hair flat. Then I am going to take my conditioned water and my mousse to get that wet look. And this is what the finished look is looking like. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Ollie. Go and pick up yourself.